Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Umrupa Premium Meghalaya.
Neufc United Football Club kan semi madan biang banyakun Pyrshah ya ke Jamshedpur Football Club hakelembung ilakai Indian Super League Kebun Selong Hajwala Nehru Stadium handong ba Shillong hakalai pautruk leber arajar pausan hakapor nyushiteng janmian. Kuman cupintip hang ni Neufc United Football Club kemudian minta hak kedan kebasau kaliok khur lai pupra poin neki arpu sautli kijinya khun bakla job hadu ish pausin bak prasin kijinya khun kelakut no hak kijinya khan. Kerba ke Jamshedpur FC kemudian hak kedan kebasan kadang don kam syu banyak khur poin kenawan penting kena yalade banyak rung syak kelai khun semifinal.
Yes, there will be one absent. Hamza is injured, you know that, and he's out. And the others, everybody's really hoping to do it, but the past has nothing to do with this game. This is a quarter-final. You know, it's one game. It's not a championship. It's not a league. It's very difficult. It's die or do or die. You know, it's difficult for both teams playing against a very good team. It is very good season, and will not be easy. It will not be easy.
I think that as coaches we will have a very tough game. They know how to play. They have their own style. So I think that if we want to be in the semi-final, we will have to work very hard. We have to play as a team, because if not, we will be in problems.
You know, the pitches has nothing to do with the way of play or the lows and wins. Also, the other teams who won us here, I mean, they were not ready to play in the pitch. The pitch is very good. The little problem we found out is just under the grass is a little bit hard, then the stats doesn't stay very well. But we hope we can perform better. We know now how the pitch is, but the pitch has nothing to do. Really, the pitch has nothing to do. It's a very good grass. It's one of the best grass in India. You know, it's not an excuse. Football teams, also Jamshedpur, never played in the grass like this. Mumbai won us, never played in the grass like this. Bengaluru never played in the grass like this and they won us. It's not an excuse. The excuse is not to do mistakes. Be ready, be focused. You have a chance, you need to score. If you see the game against Mumbai and against Bengaluru, you take out the two goals and you think we won 6 or 7-0. You know, but this is football. You get a chance, you need to score, you need to be very focused. As Mitya said, that Jamshedpur has a very special style. We need to stop that their style and use ours. And in the end, the team who's more focused and really will get the game. The problem is when we score first, other teams they open and will get more chances maybe to score. You'll be more comfortable. But the problem is when the other teams score first, and this don't happen. I'm not talking only about Northeast. I'm talking about all the teams. You know, you start pushing. If you score, it's okay, draw, fantastic. But if you don't score, you just start to open on the back, and it's more risk that. This is why it's very important for us to be focused all the game, start very strong, and don't wait till the end.
I think that we're preparing for us 2 weeks. We will have, as to the season, it's always our own style. We know how to play them. As I told, it will be very tough, very difficult game. But I think that we are confident in ourselves. We have also the advantage for playing at home and with our supporters. I hope that we will qualify. I think that both teams are in the same situation. I don't know if we will feel nervous, but for sure the other team this kind of matches. So I think that what you will retire these games is the ones who you remember in the future. So we're ready.
From our squad to the national team, proud of it. We hope more players there can go. They have chance, more players. I think more the full team is shining. More we see the players, that's normal, but that's not the aim only. The aim is really to play in the national team, not only to be in the bench, and everybody is working hard for it. Also the teammates for all those players, they're working hard because they know that they be represented by those players, and it's important for us. It's very, very important. For the first time, I think, in history, Northeast had 4 players in the national team. And that's thanks to everyone in the club, from nutrition, from administration, from staff, from medical staff, and the players. One player doesn't go alone to national team because he's good. He goes because his teammate, they're making him good. And this is what we must be proud of. And looking forward. As I said, it's totally different. It's totally different. Both teams want to win to pass the semi-final. We play at home. We have a little bit more pressure, we can say, from our crowd. We did very well the last month, and everybody's waiting for a lot from us. But we try to isolate ourselves from that. We are just focused. We think it's a final. There's no more game than this for us. As I say, it's the game. We need to go confident, doing our game plan, and trying to stop the rival. And I say, Jamshedpur is a very dangerous team, and we need to stop them from the first moment. If we do, we can succeed. But if we think that we won the other 2 games, it will be easy, we'll be mistaken. We will receive a big slap.
Yes, talking about the break, it is needful break. It is very effective break. We have taken good break. We gave some players who are having injury, they also bounce back again. So it was a useful break for us.
And how much are you looking forward to playing the game?
Yes, talking about this is a totally different game. We must think positive, and there is no way we won't die this game. Yes, I'm feeling very happy. It is why I say Polo is coming back here to play in Shillong especially. I feel very happy. I like this place, and it is very nice to play here, football atmosphere here. Yes, this game is totally different. Either you win or you have to go back. So mentally we have to be strong. And we know that the last 2 games was not up to the mark. They played good and they deserve to win this game, the last 2 games. But this is a fresh for us. We must back and take responsibility, and we must work hard. Yes, we have 2 injuries. Nazar is not there, Pratik Chaudhary, and remaining everybody is available.
Everyone is confident, we have more mass, so preparation also very good, and all players very health and mentally good. Yeah, as a local wallet for me is very important because in Shillong is my first time, so I take good memories from here. Yeah, we go all out tomorrow because no option, otherwise it will be used.